So, because my video it was so long, so this is the part 2, how to do and cook again. So guys, this is ready to eat because we cook the vegetables and we have salmon for me. It is I don't know how to say this. The fish it was cooked already, or it is not dry fish, but for me. So the fish is already cooked. So it looks like this and like that. Now we need to roll to finish our work. So guys, it looks like that. This is what I done. Then don't forget to your sauce. Your sauce it must be still hot, because if the sauce it was cold, it will be sick, and you must put quickly your sauce in the vegetable. Okay, you must put quickly here before the sauce it will be cold. So here we go. So I put the sauce. If you can saw the sauce it is hot. So this guy it's ready to eat, but I can show you. I want to bake, so I add more cheese in the top. So I show you how to do. Okay, so I will cook again. Okay, but this one is ready to eat if you want, but I show you how to bake after. Okay, it was like this guys. So I put sauce in the top, and now I add wrapper cheese, if you can say cheese. So I add wrapper cheese to bake in microwave or in oven. It is your choice, but for me to I put in microwave. um, for me it is easy. If you don't have microwave, you can put in oven. If you don't have oven, you can put in microwave. That's it. So now I add cheese in the top. If you can see, I add cheese in the top. Okay, so I show you. We put cheese. So cheese in the top. Where is the cheese in the top? Okay, we put cheese in the top like that. Okay, so cheese in the top. Guys, I add lot of cheese because it is me to eat and my husband. So I add cheese and then I put in microwave to bake. So if you can bake, it's better for me. But if you don't want to bake, you don't need to add cheese, then you can eat like that. Okay, there we go. We need to bake. So we need to bake just 5 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. Inside in microwave. Here is my microwave. So I put grill. Where is grill? Like this. Then we add it was like this. So I need 10 minutes. I try 5 minutes. Okay, I show you 5 minutes. We put 5 minutes. Okay, so start here. So here we go. We look 5 minutes. Okay, here we go. So guys, end. So 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Now you have to look. So, ganyan po itsura niya in 5 minutes. Okay. So guys, if you can say, If you can see, it looks like this in 5 minutes. What I want, it was a little brown in the top, so I need more 5 minutes. So I need again 5 minutes. Here we go. As I told you, I want 10 minutes. It depends. It depends of you. If you want just like 5 minutes or like white, a little orange. But for me, I want a little brown. For me, it's good for me. But it's up to you if you let like that, just 5 minutes in microwave or 10 minutes in microwave. But for me, I want 10 minutes. It's better. Okay, so we need to wait in again 5 minutes. So it's nearly to cook. There we go. So how it is inside. So guys, I bake 10 minutes, then it will be good for me. Okay. So now it's ready. How it looks. Wow. Super delicious. Here's what I baked today. It is salmon, leeks, cheese. Yum yum. Sounds so good. Look. Oh, yum yum. What is that? Delicious. It looks like that. Okay. Now it's ready to eat. It was look like this your food when you are baked in 10 minutes. Okay. If you want more brown, you must go on maximum 20 minutes in microwave. Okay. If you put in oven, I think it's same. It's maximum 10 minutes, and 15 minutes better. Okay, but for me 10 minutes it's good enough. Okay. Okay, so we gonna cut now. So cut. If you can hear like that. Yum yum. Delicious. So like this. Yummy. So here up one, and I put in my plate. Here we go. Super delicious. Oh my god, look. Oh my god, super yummy. Tastes very good. Very good. Try it in your house. Try it. Do it for your husband, for your friends, your birthday, if you want. Very delicious. If you can see this like this, oh my god. Look, super delicious. Here is the vegetable inside and fish, if you can see. Vegetable and fish. Yum yum. So it looks like that, guys. If you can see inside. Yummy. Now it's time to eat. Look, guys. Super yummy. It looks like that inside. If you can see inside, fish, vegetable, and cheese in the top with delicious sauce. So good luck follow my YouTube channel, and you can see all cooking by Chef Maricel Marié. Or you can see my YouTube channel is Maricel Marié Chef. Better. See you guys and good luck. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Mwah! Thank you. Start to eat now. Delicious baked leeks. I bake leeks. Yummy, yum yum. Bye bye.